Hi guys, and back with another video. So today I will be doing my slime collection 2017 part 2 because the part 1 is on my other page of Maya Williams, so go check it out after this video. I'm gonna be like kind of halfway showing you the previous slimes I showed you in the other video, and then I'm gonna show you the new updated one, but some of the previous slimes I showed you in the other video is not here because it's like it gets dry, you know. These are the slimes I previewed before, but the other two, there was more slimes in my other video, but again, they dried out, you know. So let's get started. This slime I showed in my other video, but again, I updated it. I added little beads to it. Sorry if it kind of looks fuzzy, but this looks fuzzy to you. It looks weird, because remember, people touch my slimes, so probably has hair in it. Sorry for background noises, you know, nothing in my house can be quiet, but this is not trying to be ASMR. Did I mention this slime, the purple slime, I already previewed already. I am going to post another slime video after this, but it's about adding the beads you saw in the other one to this one. But previously I've cleared out all of the beads. There's no beads. I spent my time picking out every single last bead that was in here. So stay tuned. After this video, probably go check out Amaya Williams. I'll be posting how I attach beads to this purple slime if you want to see beads in this nice, soft, purple slime. Orange slime was in this container, but I took it out and replaced it with a green slime. And this is an ordinary slime. It was just, I got it. I made jiggly slime. I did not do a DIY on this one, but look for a DIY on jiggly slime in the future. I don't know if you can see the jiggliness, but it's sticky. If I put it on my hands, it is jiggly. See how sticky it is? It's sticking to the plate. My hands are about to get dirty. Alright guys, you can't see this. This is jiggly. This video might be a part 2, but it has some orange slime, some white slime, and some brown slime in here. Yeah. Oh! Okay, so. A tried jiggly slime. So I tried to make this jiggly slime. You can barely hear the poking sound because, and it's like when you try to lift it all up, only this part you took out will come up. So it's like a watery looking slime. And try to be jiggly. And sticky a little bit. But yeah guys, thanks for watching my video. Like and subscribe, put the thumbs up on. I'm literally wearing like this same shirt from my other videos a long time ago, but you know, yeah. Sorry about the hairstyle and the view, but bye.